Hi and welcome to today's Second Saturday Art. We have a range of prompts for today, and I had decided to do another Martin Luther King page, and it's actually Martin Luther King's birthday, and in the States they have a federal holiday. So I think it's the 24th, either the 24th or the 26th. So that's what I'm going to be working on this page. I found another image. I have done throughout the book, I'll show you at the end, but I did do, last month I did celebrating Martin Luther King winning the Nobel Peace Prize on the 10th of December. Yeah, so I've taken another black and white photograph, and I'm going to be using the images. The paper I've got here is paper that I create, digital downloads I create on my Patreon, but I'm going to be using or adding these pieces. You can see there is a faint image, but I'm going to be tearing it up and adding it to this page. And these papers actually are on my free tier, so if you want you can go over and download the pages, and then you can use them in your creative activity. They're only available until the end of December, I think maximum the end of January, and maybe the 1st of February. So I give you the whole of the end until the end of that month. Anyway, so I'm going to be working with adding these two here. I did want to incorporate the flower here, so maybe I'll just be using them in this space here. I might not need all three, so just little strips of it. And then I'm going to work on the paper with some the black ink, so and then then adding markings to it. So I hope you enjoy. It's a technique that I like to do on some of my papers, and it also incorporates some of the neurographic art type of. It's inspired by neurographic art, but please do go and visit all of the other artists in the video hop. We've got some new artists in our group as well, so show them all some love, like their video, subscribe to their channel, and this one if you haven't done already, and we will get started.